300 episodes. Today is this one is a 300th episode. Love this place. I think it's a really good place where to celebrate the 300 episodes, right? What we did today is we did a really long drift. We started at where? We started at Land Beach and we drifted all the way to Japanese. The dive site is called Deep Blue. Usually we're doing it from the boat. I already did it once, like a drift with my student a couple of months ago. At that time we finished before the Japanese wreck. This time, since we were on Sign Mount, there was plenty of air. We did all along to Japanese wreck. The dive time was 104 minutes. Yeah, more than an hour, so it means about 1 hour 45 minutes. So that's what we did. Tomorrow we're planning another really long drift I never did before. I think it's a time for the long drift at the moment. Beautiful corals. Footage just proves it.
nothing really to add. You know, for me it's to celebrate something. Like, I was always thinking how to celebrate 100 episodes, how to celebrate 200. For me, I don't like really the celebration. I mean sitting, eating cakes or whatever. I like to organize some event for myself which stays in my memory for a really long time, and for me that's the best way how to celebrate anything in my life. So that's why mostly all my life is one big celebration, something. So what I'm going to do, I never did it before, so I'm going to proceed this road or trail, I don't know how to better call it, and then I will go all around there, and then we'll go down where the temple is. Road goes up to that summit. I was picking up Jewett, the plums, Javanese plums. That's the one. So now I'm going down. It's more for walking, I think. Maybe I'm doing mistake. Looks like, but I cannot turn around here. So this is not for driving. I'm going to turn around and going back. So experiment didn't work. Later on there is a road, but this one is definitely not for driving. It's only for walking. But for my future, like trekking or hiking, then definitely I can use this trail, because it is really good one. You can see the quality of it is really good. So basically I can create a road of about 15-kilometer road. You can go up next to my house and then all the way up here to the summit, and then all the way down next to the the temple. But that's it. That was experiment, didn't work, going back. We arrived at Ubud, where our friends living. You've seen them on our videos a couple of times already. They were one of those divers who did diving with us, and they invited us because they are leaving on Friday in a couple of days. They invited to their place, to their villa in Ubud, because they decided that they would like to say goodbye to Bali. He invited his favorite band to play for him here at his villa, and we are here guests. So I'm going in now. Hello, hello.
Hi.
And so thank you very much for invitation.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah. Really appreciate.
Yes, thank you.
Let's listen music.
Yeah, I will just show what's going on there. That's the famous band. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Straight from Ubud. Bye.
Bye bye.